Best regards, dear teacher and classmates. Phase 1, comparing my family. Now, I'm going to talk about my family. This is my family. The young is Fabian Torres. He is my husband. He is 27 years old and he is a pilot Navy. The person he is next to my husband is my grandfather. And another man in the picture is my father. As you can see in this picture, my husband is taller than my grandfather, but my grandfather is fatter than my husband. I am the girl with white hat, and the madam with sunglasses is my mother. As you can see, my mother has the hair curlier than mine. In the second picture, from left to right are my father, my sister, me, and my mother. My father is 54 years old and he is an engineer. My sister is 25 years old and she is a graphic designer. I am 26 years old and I am a flight attendant and a psychology student. And my mother is 51 years old and she is a housewife. They currently live in Cali, but I live in a naval base called Bahia Malaga. As we can see, my mother is taller than my sister, but she is shorter than my father. My mother is fatter than me, but she is slimmer than my father. My mother has the hair shorter than my sister, but she has the hair larger than my father. Thanks for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.